Most people ask me, why do you believe in the Bible? Is it because I'm a Christian? Because I have a doctorate in theology? No, neither. I believe in the Bible because science has finally caught up. Over the last 100 years, quantum physics has revealed a profound truth. Everything is energy. And that's exactly how the Bible begins. Let there be light. Quantum physics says everything is energy. Science has caught up thousands of years later with the Bible. The Bible begins with light. Genesis 1 verse 3. Let there be light. In Hebrew, the word for light is oreh. It literally translates into energy. Think about that. Long before Einstein, long before quantum physics, the Bible opened with the same principle. The universe is born from energy, from vibration, from light. Neuroscience shows us how our thoughts shape reality. Mysticism reminds us of the soul's infinite depth. Quantum physics proves matter itself is energy in motion. And the Bible, it speaks the same truth. That is why I stand at the intersection of science and spirit, helping leaders, creators, visionaries awaken to who they truly are. Because when you realize your energy, you realize you are light, and that changes everything. That is why I stand at the intersection of science and soul, helping leaders, creators, and visionaries awaken to who they truly are. Because when you realize you are light, you stop dimming yourself, you start radiating, and the world transforms. Join the Transformers tribe to explore how science and soul unite